Woo! Alright, great start to the Sunday. Just got done playing volleyball. Check it out. Now I'm here at the car wash, gonna get my truck all nice and clean. Oh, hold on. Here we go. Wind was blowing pretty bad today. Just got my truck all nice and cleaned up. Gonna go see if anyone wants to go get some food while I'm on a part of town where most of my friends are. So let's go see if anyone wants to get some food with me. What is up? Alright, yesterday after I washed my truck, I went and hung out with my brother and some friends. Nice to relax and hang out, and then I went home and went to bed right away to get up and start my Monday. So it's a 2-day vlog series. Today is now Monday. It is, well, check out the weather. I know, right? That's how Florida goes. A beautiful day, then not. Again, we need the rain. So today was awesome. Yes, the weather is awful, but today I snagged 2 sales, one pretty big one, on a Monday. So I'm already, my first day of the week, I'm already 2 sales in, service done it, everything. Woo! I am pumped about that, guys. That's a great way to start the week. I'm going to keep this train rolling and keep on going. I'm doing that huge school as well this week. So we're on an awesome roll starting the week. I'm super stoked. Everybody, hope you have a great Tuesday. Buying something pretty cool tomorrow, guys. So you're going to see that in Wednesday's vlog. So make sure to check that out. It's going to be a little surprise, a little teaser there. So everybody, that's it. Have a great Tuesday. And don't forget, work hard.